segment of What's for Dinner is brought to you by Food and Beverage Atlantic.
Thank you, Food and Beverage Atlantic. Welcome back to CTV News at 5 in the kitchen with the Kilted Chef. You know how much I love potatoes.
And this time, I'm going to teach you a little about baking a baked potato.
Okay.
This is so simple. W.P. Griffith, they're a PI, and they got these potato racks. You just go to the grocery store, the Sobe store,
Yep.
pick up the rack. I call it a rack, but it's a box. You
Yep.
got 4 baked potatoes already wrapped, washed, clean. All you have to do is throw them in the oven.
Oh, I
it's
like that.
so simple. And I thought we'd pair them with a beautiful sausage. You know, it's that time of the year. The gorgeous Italian sausage.
Yeah, those look good.
And I took some little baby peppers. You know, we see them at the store whenever you know, what do?
Yeah, I don't know what
just
to
like
do.
that or whatever.
Yeah.
But grilled like this is
They look
absolutely
so
gorgeous.
cute.
And then look, Katie, once the potato is cooked, right, it takes about, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour. The directions are all on the package.
Yep.
And then you've got this beautiful potato in foil, ready to go. And I'm going to show you a little trick here, restaurant style, how to cut that.
Okay.
Right? Because, you know, what do? Unwrap it, slice it? I don't know.
Right.
So
That's what I would do.
you just take your knife.
In the foil.
In the foil, look. Now you just put you do a cross in a way. Look.
Okay, yeah.
Crisscross like this, but you don't cut all the way through.
Okay.
And then you take your fingers, you put a cloth if your fingers are not used to the heat, but all you do is just push it up like this. And then it's ready to load up. So you add a little bit, look, Katie, you love butter.
I do.
So we're gonna add a little bit of butter. So that's one. We're gonna add some beautiful Greek yogurt.
Oh, love
Instead
that.
of sour cream,
We're
something
keeping it healthy.
healthy herb,
Healthy herb.
healthier than usual.
Right.
There you go. Some yogurt, but here comes the good part: some bacon.
Yeah, okay.
It's a loaded potato, so lots of bacon, and of course some cheddar cheese, and you put it on your plate. But you got this
Perfect.
gorgeous plate.
It's like its own bowl.
Yeah, it's
I like
sort
it.
of, it's I don't know, it's magical. There's
It is.
something about potatoes that are magical. I love this the searing of these beautiful sausage, and then you just take your sausage, and I like to cut them a little bit so it's easier to eat.
Yes.
And you just give it a little cut across.
Yeah, it looks fancy.
And
Oh,
you just add it to your plate
Beauty.
along with your beautiful peppers, and you're ready to go.
I love it. So we'll put the recipe and instructions on our website. It's also
Yeah.
on the QR code on your screen. Hand me that potato, chef.
Do you want the
Mine.
whole potato?
This is mine.
It's
I just
not
need a
too
fork.
hot though.
I've got chef hands now.
You got it.
Thank you. We
You're
will
welcome.
see you next week. Find me a fork.
Sounds good.